Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. We are going to do an analysis on Microsoft, and I got this chart already pre-marked up. So we finna go do our thing. Y'all see I got my support and resistance lines already. We already know Microsoft has been in a roaring uptrend. It's been rolling for a good little while. So let's go, let's go to the small time frames. Y'all know I marked up my chart, the trend line of the day chart. So there it is right there. All right. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have here. So I already have a price target of 270. I'm expecting maybe a smidge of the upside movement. If it goes up, that's the furthest it may go. It may go. Anything short of that, you can go that way. But I don't think it have much going on. We got a lot of divergence going on right now. So so this would be considered in my eye for the sellers are getting in at. The sellers are getting in at these prices between 270 and 260. So that's where they're getting in at. Couple of price targets on the sell side of things. We'll go here. What's the low here? 252. The next low is 250.12. Okay, so 252. We'll put another price target here. Come on, computer, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. All right. So we got two price targets. Maybe upside movement. And to be honest with you, I really will bring it down to 165, but we just plan to say that sometimes it goes up, goes a little higher than normal. So we'll see. But this will be the price target for all the sellers to come in. I expect a rebound here. Maybe see a little resistance at this level here at 255.75. There will be a little resistance there before it really breaks through there and really slams down to 252. But that's where Microsoft is going. This is the analysis. Alex Jenkins checking out.